Hey everyone, so you stumbled across thepocas.com and the deals looked way too good to be true. You're not alone. Let's break down what we found and whether this site's legit or just another scam in disguise. Quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. At first glance, thepocas.com looks like a pretty clean site offering big discounts on electronics and gadgets, but digging deeper, red flags start piling up fast. The site was registered very recently and it has almost no real online presence or customer reviews, especially none on Trustpilot. According to sources, Tepocas has been linked to suspicious activity, including fake crypto giveaways and phishing styles redirects. The About page is big and there's no clear info on the team return policy or even a legit contact method. Also worth noting, some scam watchdog sites have already flagged it as a risk and Reddit users are warning others to stay away. For the final verdict, honestly, Topocas.com looks shady with no Trustpilot rating, zero transparency, and scam reports already surfacing. It's best to avoid this site altogether. If it seems too good to be true, it probably is. Have you had any experience with them? Drop it in the comments to warn others and hit like and subscribe if you want more honest, no fluff reviews.